Hi friends, Astrologer Joe here, and I wanted to do this quick update video. This one is for June the 5th, and I did say there was going to be some announcements being made. As I'm doing this video today, this was just posted online and it's all over the internet. Texas is poised to get its own stock exchange with less red tape than the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. Now this is huge news because it looks like things are separating finally, you know, in the financial sector. But I'm not too thrilled about the organizations that are involved in this. BlackRock is one of them, and you could read the article for yourself. But I did say in the solar eclipse event video, you know, that was going to be a strong eclipse because it was right over Texas. And I said, keep an eye on Texas over the coming year or so, because something about Texas is going to lead the nation in something. And so this story that just came out is big news to those of us that have been paying attention, because it seems that Texas is somehow breaking away from the rest of the country, especially the federal government. And so this is going to be really important. Even the Wall Street Journal is reporting on this, and this is just broke. So all of us are paying attention to see where this goes. But like I said, I do not like the fact that BlackRock is involved in this. Something, you know, isn't right here, and we'll see where it goes from there. But I figured I'd keep you guys in the loop, so at least you have a heads up of what's actually going on. And as I've been saying all along, there's an operation going on behind the scenes that seems to be separating from the old system. And Mr. T and his team and the military seems to be behind all this. Now, whether it turns out to be something good or not so good, we'll have to see in the long run. But we need to look at the bigger picture. You know, don't get distracted by the political theater is what I'm saying. Okay, so this is huge news. So let's stay on top of this and see where it goes. All right. To find out more, you know, join my inner circle, because I am doing so much more on there on a regular basis, from the astrology updates to, you know, news stories like this, where I could talk a lot more freely. Anyway, check out the link below, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye for now.